Many of us have challenging, stressful, sometimes exhausting lives. And one of the most important defenses is good sleep, having a good sleep cycle. You want to protect your sleep. So here are some things that can really make a difference. First, try to go to bed the same time each night and wake up the same time each morning. Maybe you can have an hour leeway, but stick to that. If you stay up late, don't sleep in for 3 or 4 hours. If you do, it's going to throw your whole sleep cycle off and cause problems. So you can take a 20-minute power nap around midday, but if you sleep in for a long time, it's going to be a problem. Make sure in your bed that you don't do anything other than sleep. If you're on the computer or you're watching TV or texting, then your brain kind of gets confused. Is this sleep time? Is this text time? So don't do those things in bed. Sit in a chair next to your bed, do them there. But when you're in bed, it's time to sleep. And then avoid letting pets go with you in bed. Avoid doing alcohol, drinking a lot of alcohol. Alcohol might get you to sleep, but what happens is when the alcohol wears off, boom, it arouses you and it can mess up your sleep cycle. Things like exercising too close to bedtime, that can be a problem as well. If, despite doing these things, you're still having trouble sleeping, it can be a sign that maybe you're depressed or you have a sleep apnea or some sort of medical problem. So get in to see your doctor if you're still having problems with sleep. But remember, sleep is your best defense against stress. So don't get into bad sleep habits. That's A Minute for Health.